We're in the Bowleys Visitor Centre. We're in the Pennines. We're going to do the high falls and the low falls. And today's challenge, I've decided to challenge myself. Inherited camera, which is a film camera, 1000F Canon, and I've got 34 photos to work with, and I've got to try and take a photo. So it's intentional photography. So I've got to look at it with intention, and I've got to be very savvy and smart with my photography taking. So
I feel as though I have to add a disclaimer here explaining that 35mm film was actually 20 odd years old, so the quality of the film had deteriorated, so that may affect the pictures in the final showing. It made it a bit more tricky to edit as the quality and the clarity of the film was deteriorated, and it started to have some burn marks on it and things like that, and yellowing and just aging over time. So I thought I'll add this here, just a disclaimer to say the pictures are okay, but they're not as good as they could be, as this was my first time as well.
This is superb. I've never seen a waterfall so powerful, and this is just the low force, so I've got to be careful here. I might get snap happy, so I've got to be very mindful of what I take. So let's go for it. I won't know what it looks like. No instant feedback. So I've taken 3 photos of this area. I've got a close-up with the rocks in the foreground, sort of a wider angle as well, and one a bit further back. I've got 31 left.
I love the vintage look of this shot and the graininess. Again, it didn't come out as good as I thought because obviously the age of the film. The sunlight was just right for this shot as well. It's really bright and a nice contrast. Again, edited okay through Photoshop, which is alright for a standard of 20 odd years old.
So I've just taken some more photos, really close up towards the waterfall, right to the water's edge. It's so powerful and super impressive. I've got 29 photos to work with still, but I couldn't help myself. There's so many nice shots there, and the lighting was fantastic. And we're carrying on now up to the next one, which is the high force. I'm so impressed so far. It's such a good day. What a beautiful photographer's day to have. Yeah, happy days. So I'm going to take a picture of the rockery here. A nice rockery looking out to the water. Quite nice.
trickier because we had the glare of the water and the contrast and the shadows, and it made it more tricky with this shot. Came out okay. I think it's a bit too blue and green.
Making our way towards the high falls now, walking towards it. We went to do this route instead because it was quicker. We come off one route and decided to do this route. So what we did was pay for it because we thought, you know what, give back to the environment and the area that we're looking after and making sure it's looked after as well.
You can hear a little bit of the rumble.
Oh my gosh. I've never seen one so big. It's like it's paying for Niagara Falls, I suppose. Oh wow. So I've just taken another 2 pictures of this fantastic waterfall behind me there. Hopefully it comes out alright. The lighting's great. A little bit of shadowing on the actual big waterfall itself, but hopefully it's alright.
Again, this shot has got some amazing grain on it and some vintage style to it, and I really like that ruggedness, that vintage style.
So as we're getting closer, the noise is picking up. We have switched from the gimbal to the phone now because it's pretty much dead. It's just fantastic. Huh? Mitch, turn around.
Yeah, it's a really nice shot. You can see the age with the photo as well, and the quality of the film is unfortunately deteriorated, but overall it's been a fantastic experiment with a roll of film 35mm with the Canon 1000F. I will be returning with some new roll of film, some black and white and colour, and we'll delve into that a bit later on in some other videos.